going to replace my sister's disgusting mirror that got...
That's so rude.
That got blown off by a tree limb during our stupid New England storms. Look how gross and ghetto that is. Or replace it. And make it look nice and clean, like a good xterra. So probably just gonna take these out somehow.
I'm offended.
Dude.
YouTube or something? I think so, yeah.
Oh yeah. You should just come right out.
Yo, you think I'm gonna build them and destroy?
This is the video I thought you were talking about.
There you go.
Are you okay?
Oh. Okay. Little snaps. What?
Bang him out. Are you okay? Alright, bye. The builder!
Yo, you think I'm gonna build them and destroy?
That's funny.
12:30 on Easter. Shit facing UPT's basement. Do you want me to do anything?
Well, no, you're talking. I have to make it so that people want to listen. Because someone doesn't know how to do this like you. And I don't know how to do it either.
So should we
But
start
we're going to
over?
learn. No, I've already been filming.
Oh, okay.
No, it is.
It's black. Oh.
Yeah.
You can edit that out.
You want me to hold the camera?
Nah, that's okay.
Yeah,
That's
you should
alright.
be-
Well, that's what your job was, but you were
I'm
talking.
here.
Well, you're ruining it. It was supposed to be cool.
You wanna get what he's doing, not him.
Yeah. There's a little, I was going to use an adjustable, but now I can't, so now I need my sockets. You press the top to pause it, or stop it. Yeah, they're not in there, but that was a cool pan.
Thank you.
Alright, here's a 10. Of course it's a 10. It's always a 10.
It's a 10.
You don't know anything.
Just like you, Frank.
Aww. Put your socky on there. Make sure it's loosening. Yeah, it got loose pretty quick. These I got these from 1A Auto online. $100 for both of them. I thought that was a fair deal. Yeah, here, take this for a sec. A little extension. I hope this thing just falls right off because it's just junk. We're gonna see if it could fall off and be cinematic. Maybe I'll slow-mo it. You got a good side of that.
Yeah, I got it.
It's probably my stupid face.
No, I have such a good, like, you're in it, the mirror's in it. That's my mirror.
Come on, baby.
Those wires right over there.
Yeah, so good looking.
I'm classy.
An invisible mirror. Who would ever thought?
Classy. High tech.
Bada bang. And okay. That might be taking off the friggin' door panel.
Should I pause it?
That's butt, yeah. So I'll take the door panel off because the wire isn't long enough. This should be just a bunch of more like snaps. But be careful, you don't just want to break your plastic paneling. Around the edge, next to the metal. By the way, these plastic tools, AutoZone, little pack. This is what they're made for. You know, a bunch plastic trim. So maybe there's a tough one up here. Clicked in. Oh, maybe it's in here. No! Can I reach it? Yeah, it's okay. The door handle is on right there. That bolt. Maybe that one too. Bollocks. Hey, what the shit? Where did they go?
What you looking for?
Oh, no. Oh yeah. You remembering how this gets reassembled?
No.
I don't remember.
Oh, fuck.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
I don't know, there should be a wire in here a wire and a plug. So there's a little wire clip in here that you should be able to press with your thumbs to get out.
Opposable thumbs. Us humans.
Just working blind with your hands doesn't always work out. This sucks. Should be like, plug should be like right in there, and usually you can just pull it out.
Pull it out a little bit. And so you just push it in?
Yeah, and it should pull. You push it in and pull it out. That's why it's tough.
Like I pull it down, right?
Yeah, so you push the tab and pull it out.
Yeah, I got it.
Really?
Yeah.
Pull it out, stuff. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Good looks. It's out. Teamwork is a dream work. Get that, throw that thing a mile away. That's mint. Hell yeah. All right.
Hanging on the wall.
This is the wrong one. Take these little things off.
I'm not. You think I'm joking?
You think you can plug it back in?
Yeah.
So will you pass me one of those nuts? Yeah. Just to secure this for a second. It's probably gonna fall. Please stay on. It's on. Get it, Captain Jack?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, nice. Hell yeah. Now, hey, why don't you, turn your car into the on position and try to move your mirror around. You want to move it around? It should be on your door now. Yeah, it works. Haha! Who's excited? Not you. Not you. Who cares?
Oh, wait.
So put your 10 mils back there. Have them right here. And these two for your xterra, 2008. Yeah. That goes there. This goes there. We're gonna push the door back together and everything. I'll probably do like a sped up version, make it look all fancy. And you want to like get these nice and tight, but tighten them all in unison, all together. Like keep alternating nuts so that the seal on the outside, you know, it sits correctly.
Evenly sealed.
Yeah, presses against the.
Look how pretty it is.
You'll see this gap start to suck in as I crank. Love cranking. As you tighten one, the others will get looser. That's why you gotta keep going around. But, you know, it doesn't have to be, you know, your full amount of elbow grease. If it starts, you know, this is like 5 pounds of pressure, that's good. Maybe just a little extra for peace of mind. All right. Yeah. Little bracket back there. Get my sausage finger out of the way. Little rusty thing, that's the bracket that makes this entire door have rigidity around the handle. So you definitely want this one tight. Yeah. Don't forget to check out my merch. I don't have any. Yeah, things. She's definitely in there.
Oh, see.
This thing looks useless. But it's actually is useless. It's just for looks. Little plastic snaps. This little snap. That's how it goes in. I just forced the other one in. And, you know, probably shouldn't have, but that's definitely how it goes in. See? Nice and delicate.
It was nice and delicate.
The first one I just stuck my big fat thumb on and just gave it hell. And that works too. Done! So...
What about it?
What? Oh yeah. That's your passenger mirror. Probably not gonna film the driver's side because I don't know, this one side probably the same.